Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to quickly talk about the new Harlem 125 Kima spring twist hair. As a lot of people would like to know, the hair does look and feels the same as all of the other spring twist hair you buy from AliExpress and Amazon. A couple of times though, I did get some bad batches of the color TC27, which is the one I'm showing in this video from Amazon, and in those instances the hair was super dry and crunchy and it just felt like Mali hair, so I didn't really like that. But back to this Kima hair. I bought this hair from the beauty supply and it does come in some interesting colors like the ones you find online. I bought this hair deliberately just to try it out on a friend to see how it will be, and it's basically the same. I found this other brand in the beauty supply. It's the Afri Natural. Yes, Afri Natural. And well, that one also is the same spring twist hair, packaged nicely, and that comes with a nice price tag attached. The only thing I did differently with this particular hair is that I had it cleaned up nicely, because the person that I plan on using this one for, she has this synthetic hair allergy, so I have to like wash the hair in an apple cider vinegar solution, so just to like really clean it up, and so she would not get any itch. So price points, the hair was actually $6.99 a bag plus tax from the beauty supply, which isn't so bad. And after the hair had been washed and dried, we installed it. Now I did not install the hair. I did bits of it, but most of it was done by someone else, so I will not be taking credit for the work that was done. That's really it with the hair. It compares favorably with the ones you buy online, and it's just perfect for anyone who can wait for the hair to be shipped from Amazon, because sometimes when you buy it from Amazon, you're expecting it to come on one day, it does not arrive. And worse still is buying from AliExpress. That one literally takes weeks to arrive. But then if you don't have that kind of time, you can just go into your beauty supply. If you get lucky, you find the hair, they will have it in stock, you buy it, and then you go to go. So thanks for watching the video.